A wooden home bar instantly changes the mood of a space. It doesn't need to be elaborate. Even a simple wooden counter paired with clean shelving can create the feeling of a private lounge at home. Wood works exceptionally well for bars because it brings warmth and character without trying too hard. A smooth walnut top, a reclaimed plank front, or a light ash finish can create a completely different atmosphere depending on the style of your home. A lot of people think you need a dedicated room for a home bar, but in reality, a small unused corner is more than enough. A wall with a few floating wooden shelves becomes a bar the moment you place your bottles, glasses, and mixer tools there. Add subtle lighting underneath the shelf, and suddenly the whole area feels intentional and refined. Even a compact bar can look premium when the wood grain stands out and the layout feel organized. For something more substantial, a wooden cabinet with a clean, modern silhouette works beautifully. You can keep the outside minimal, flat doors, simple handles, and let the inside hold everything. Bottles, glasses, shakers, garnishes. When it is closed, it looks like a nice piece of furniture. When it is open, it transforms into a full bar setup. This approach works especially well in living rooms or dining areas where you want things to remain stylish and uncluttered. If you prefer something with more personality, reclaimed wood gives a bar instant texture. The slight imperfections, weathered edges, uneven tones look intentional when paired with simple lighting or a sleek counter surface. You don't have to go rustic with reclaimed wood either. Keeping the design straight-lined and modern balances everything out, making it sophisticated instead of old-fashioned. A lot of homeowners also build a bar around single standout feature, like a live edge wooden slab. This instantly becomes the centerpiece, natural, sculptural, and different from anything store-bought. It works well as a countertop, a serving ledge, or even the top of a tall standing bar. Wood with natural edges brings a kind of elegant boldness without being dramatic. For larger spaces, a full-height wooden back bar becomes a statement. Shelves framed in wood, bottles arranged neatly, warm lighting highlighting the grain. This becomes functional decor. It is the sort of installation that makes your home feel like a boutique hotel lounge. Whether the wood is deep-toned like walnut or lighter like maple, the vertical layout always looks impressive. Even outdoors, wood makes for a great bar as long as it is weather resistant. Teak, treated pine, or hardwood slats can shape a bar that blends beautifully with greenery and evening lights. The textures stand out even more at night, and the whole setup feels relaxed and inviting without needing complex decor. The advantage of a wooden bar is that it can adapt to any style: minimalist, industrial, cozy, contemporary. Pair it with metal if you want a sharper look. Pair it with softer lighting if you prefer warmth. It can be compact or elaborate, hidden or on display. And no matter what, it brings a sense of structure and intention into the home. A wooden home bar is less about drinking and more about creating a thoughtfully designed space, a place where you prepare something, unwind, or entertain a few people comfortably. As long as the wood is well finished, the lighting is simple, and the layout isn't cluttered, even the smallest home can have a bar that feels well designed and modern. Another strength of wooden home bars is how easily they blend into existing interiors. Unlike bold colors or heavy materials, wood doesn't fight for attention. It works with almost any style. Modern apartments, classic homes, minimalist studios, even compact rooms where space is limited. Because wood adds a natural warmth. The entire bar area feels more welcoming, no matter how small or simple the setup is. You also don't need expensive materials to achieve a refined look. Ultimately, a wooden home bar is about creating a space that feels inviting, functional, and personal. It doesn't need to be elaborate or expensive. What matters is that it fits your home, your style, and the way you like to spend your time. So until next time, happy decorating.